Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing? Today is February 1st, so happy February? Do people say that? I don't know. Today is Super Bowl Sunday. Woo! And right now, I'm going to church, and then we'll see. Let's go. So, church just finished up, and we're outside. It is snowing like crazy. I'm gonna be driving in this. Hopefully I don't die. Okay, so I did get home safely. I'm making myself some coffee now. I'm usually a tea drinker, but we're out of tea bags, so I'm drinking some coffee. How you doing, Mom?
Hi.
Don't you love the camera?
Yeah.
Don't you love to say hi? Don't you?
Yeah, hi.
Mom, come get in this. No. Mom loves being in my videos. I'm headed to the gym now. First, I'm gonna pick up my girlfriend, and then we're gonna head over there. Wait, what? Motoki, you have a girlfriend? What? Yeah, you should probably know this if you follow me on Twitter or Snapchat. But yes, I do have a lovely girlfriend. You'll see her in a second. All right, Danielle, you ready to work out?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Get it, girl. Get it. So, how was the gym?
Good.
Good? You feel tired at all?
No.
No? All right, we're going back, and I'm gonna go to a Super Bowl party. I got a text message and from the school, and we don't have school tomorrow, so that's awesome. All right, I just got to Trevor's house. What's good, guys? Hey! This is so dumb. We're making some snow cones with fresh snow. Get it! Get it, boy! Okay, so these crazy fools, they're gonna have a run around the house. How you feel it?
Awful.
Quinn, you won! Yeah! They locked it. Good job, Tony!
Let me in!
Good job! How'd it feel? Okay, so we're gonna make some snow angels almost naked. Why? Because why not? Keep it up here. My eyes are up here.
I'm sorry, I want to act it.
That was probably not a good idea, but you know, whatever.
I'm seriously gonna pee.
They're tickling Quinn to death. Well, things are cooling down. It's like 3 a.m. and we just finished watching a movie. It was pretty good, but I'm pretty tired now. I think I'm gonna go to bed. Hey, remember that time when I said that I was going to bed at 3? Yeah, it's 4 o'clock now. Now I'm going to bed. Good morning, everyone. It's already Monday. Today the video is gonna be going up, but I just woke up. I'm so tired, but breakfast time. Yes. Okay, so I'm driving home now. Party's over. I'm gonna go home and edit the vlog, but look at this. This is downtown and there's just piles of snow. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had fun making it. It's been like over 24 hours since I started it. So yeah, it's over. If you like the video, like it up, comment if you want. I had fun making it. And I'll see you guys next Motoki Monday.